elevation reading at point 4 is 32 meters.
Copy that. GPS coordinates locked, sending the data stream now.
The stability here is lower than expected.
We should adjust the drilling pressure then.
Final connections are secure.
Confirmed. Everyone clear the blast zone now.
Charge is set. Get back to the carrier now.
Move it! This zone is hot!
Check the coordinates on the data collector. We need to be exact for the 50-meter mark.
Reading confirmed. Setting the stake now.
Scene 79.20. Heavy dozer fleet beginning final excavation to achieve target.
The RQD values here at 600 meters are excellent. This basalt layer is highly stable.
Agreed. We can proceed with the foundation design as planned.
We've hit the water table.
Get the pumps online now.
Elevation holding steady at 360 meters, plus or minus 5 millimeters.
Confirmed. Maintain current scrape depth.
We did it. 331 meters achieved. Yes.
The gauge is reading 988.2. Okay, log that for section 4. We are clear for the next pass. Watch the vibration on the roller. We're almost past the marker. Keep going. Check the alignment on the one. It looks good from here.
Temperature is holding steady, boss.
Keep the pressure steady on the vibrator. All right, move the screed to the next section now. Hold it right there. Take it down 5 centimeters. Watch your clearance. All right, bring it home. The connection has to be absolutely secure at this point.
Got it. And the gauge should read below 50 psi. We need to ensure the leak detection conduits are completely secure before backfilling.
All right, I'll double check the torque settings on those flanges now.
Localizer alignment is spot on. We are within tolerance.
Confirmed. The installation is complete. Check the reading on the main array. We're showing a slight drift on the localizer.
Confirmed. Let me adjust the torque here. It should stabilize now.
The glide path angle is set at 3 degrees. Confirming voltage is stable on unit 4.
Watch the tension on that cable. Almost there. All right, secure it tightly before we move on.
Wires are secure, ready to test the circuit.
Go ahead, switch it on.
Looks good. Power up the center line.
Green lights are active.
Blue edges are coming online now.
A little more to the left. How is that? Perfect. We are good to go.
Make sure that tension bar is tight before you clamp it down.
Got it, boss. Moving to the next section now.
The throughput on Loop B is exceeding expectations.
Reroute the priority tags to Carousel 4 and monitor the merge.
All right, team, the new equipment is live. We've got the GPU secured. Belt loader 1 is fully operational. Lower it slowly, watch the root ball.
All right, easy now.
Main cable tension check.
Hydraulics engaged. System green.
Runway is active.
Control tower, this is installation team on VHF 1. Radio check, over.
Loud and clear, proceeding with test sequence.
Okay, track 7-4 is showing a conflict at FL 200. Verify the altitude readout.
Verified, it looks like a data entry error on the flight strip.
This is the terminal supervisor. We have a drill in progress. Repeat, drill in progress at gate 42. All teams respond accordingly.
The audit is complete. I hereby certify the airport for operations.
Welcome to the new airport.
It's beautiful.
Absolutely stunning.
Please have your boarding pass ready and remove all electronic devices.
Sir, your bag needs additional screening over here.
Runway 01 cleared for landing, wind 290 at 7.
Tower, Speedbird 12, clear of the active.
Delta 45 cleared for pushback, contact ground on point 9er. Clear on the left, bring it forward another 2 feet and stop.
Roger that, stopping now.
This active aviation hub is a critical economic driver, enabling regional development and connecting us globally.
Our future expansion plans include a runway extended to 3,000 meters and a dedicated terminal expansion.